and right there. Hello and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. Today what we're going to be looking at is a cruciform lock. I'm not sure exact make and model of this one here, but it is a cruciform lock and there are 12 pins in it. One of the crosses has no pins and 3 of them have 4 pins each. Here's the key for it, and as you can see there are 4 blades on this key. Each one can engage a pin, and additionally this key can only fit one way because this blade here is a little bit thicker than the other 3 blades. So as you see, it will only go in one way. So a couple ways we can pick this. We can put tension on it and then individually pick each one of the pins, or we can use a cruciform locked rake, and what we'll do is we'll rotational tension on it with these prongs right here, and then with these rakes we'll rake each one of the pin banks simultaneously. So let's get this lock into a vise. The way this cruciform rake works is it applies rotational tension with these lugs right here, and then you work the rakes back and forth, and as it comes back and forth simultaneously each bank of pins will get raked by these individual rake prongs. Okay, let me demonstrate that. We'll get it into the lock, get tension, and right there. And then it's locked back in there. Okay, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.